The 2010 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, keyless start, hard disk drive media storage, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system, rear defrost. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.